Hello kids, how are you all? Welcome to Kitty Kids channel. Today we will learn the phonics sound of letter Y. Y says ya. Y says ya. Ya, ya, ya. Now let's see few vocabulary starting with letter Y. Y for yak, ya, yak. Yak is a large mammal. And all yaks have long thick hair on their body to keep them warm in cold places. Y for yolk, yolk. The egg yolk is the yellow center of the egg and it is very good for health. Y for yellow, yellow. You can see children on the screen, it is a yellow color. Y for yacht, yacht. Yacht is a type of boat which is mainly used for recreation. Y for yogurt, yogurt. Yogurt is a calcium-rich food. It helps the kids to build healthy and strong bones. Y for yo-yo, yo-yo. I'm sure you all must have played the yo-yo. It is a kind of toy that kids love to play as the little ball bounces up and down. Y for yarn, yarn. Yarn is used to knit sweaters. Your mother, your grandma must knit sweaters with yarn. Y for yell, yell. Yell means to shout. See children, the boy is yelling, but it is not a good habit. You should not yell at anyone. So, for yelling, we will give a thumbs down as yelling is not a good thing. Thank you.